Hi guys, it's Rich Bennett from the Ontario Regiment Museum again. Today what we're doing is working on our T34. We had the old girl out on the track for one of our training weekends and discovered that we had a braking problem with our right-hand track. So what we're doing now is in the process of removing the back glacis. So we've got most of the bolts out of the glacis plate, and this glacis plate spins down on hinges. So once we get the exhaust disconnected, this whole plate's going to come back down to the floor and is going to give us access to the steering gear, which is right behind here. There's two big band brakes, one here and one here, with very complicated linkages. Those linkages control the braking system and the clutches for the steering system. So with an issue like that, you want to make sure you got all your bases covered. So we're taking out as much as possible so we can get as much room and access to these equipment as possible to repair it. Once it is repaired, it'll all go back on, and then it'll be tested back out in the field again and make sure she works okay and she's ready for service for our next parade or our next show. So if you're interested, keep watching. There's more to come. Stay tuned. Have a good day, and visit us at tankmuseum.ca or see our Facebook page at the Ontario Regiment Museum.